roles that were considered niche, super specialisms just 4 or 5 years ago are now some of the most in-demand jobs there are.
I tend to make it my mission to focus on finding these advances and technologies that will have transformative impact. The applications are quite vast, but actually a lot of them are focused on wellness and health.
So this is starting to give us a really good view then of where we see this sitting in the wider market and the roles that operators are seeking to play.
Algorithms can imbibe creator bias and indeed the negative impulses of the person that's actually programmed it.
Customers definitely want everything and they want it now. Yes. And this is a good way to deliver that seamlessly across the on and offline experience.
Yes. So this is a great place to build this momentum from and use data responsibly, and so that it works both ways, both for the organizations that are harnessing it, but also the end user.
The future is human. Thank you so much for listening.